Stroke risk increases with age, and while vegetables are often called healthy, not all of them are safe for seniors over 60. Many contain hidden compounds that can affect blood clotting, circulation, and overall heart health. Today we'll reveal the 9 vegetables seniors must be careful with, and why these so-called healthy foods might be silently putting your life at risk. First, let's talk about spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, but it's also high in vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a critical role in blood clotting. For seniors on blood thinners like warfarin, eating large amounts of spinach can interfere with medication effectiveness, increasing the risk of stroke. Even if you're not on blood thinners, too much vitamin K can create imbalances in clotting factors. Next up is kale, another superfood. Kale is full of nutrients, but it contains high amounts of oxalates. Oxalates can bind with calcium, forming tiny crystals that may damage blood vessels over time. For seniors with circulation issues or those prone to kidney problems, excessive kale can increase the risk of vascular blockages. Beets are another tricky vegetable. Beets contain nitrates, which can lower blood pressure, a good thing in moderation. But for seniors already on blood pressure medication, too many nitrates can cause sudden drops in pressure, dizziness, or fainting, indirectly increasing stroke risk. Also, beets are high in natural sugars, which can spike insulin levels if consumed in large quantities. Tomatoes may seem harmless, but their seeds and skins contain lectins. Lectins are natural plant proteins that, in high amounts, can inflame the gut and affect vascular health. Seniors with atherosclerosis or plaque buildup should limit high lectin foods to prevent further circulation issues. Peppers, especially bell peppers and chili peppers, are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. However, they also contain capsaicin and certain alkaloids. In some seniors, these compounds can trigger minor blood clotting issues or exacerbate inflammation in the arteries, raising stroke risk over time. Eggplants, closely related to peppers, contain solanine, a natural defense compound. Solanine can, in some sensitive individuals, irritate blood vessels and affect circulation, while rare excessive eggplant consumption has been linked to minor clotting disturbances in older adults with pre-existing cardiovascular conditions. Celery is often praised for lowering blood pressure, but it also contains coumarins, which can interfere with anticoagulant medications. If you are over 60 and taking blood thinners, too much celery can make your blood clot too easily, increasing the risk of clots forming in arteries. Mushrooms are a staple in many diets, but some wild varieties contain compounds that can affect platelet function and blood coagulation. Even store-bought mushrooms have trace amounts of certain polysaccharides that, in high quantities, can subtly alter clotting, especially in seniors with compromised circulation. Finally, cabbage and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may seem completely safe, but they contain glucosinolates. Glucosinolates can interact with thyroid function and indirectly affect metabolism and circulation. For seniors with thyroid or heart conditions, excessive consumption could stress the cardiovascular system. Now, you may be wondering, does this mean I should avoid all these vegetables? Not at all. These vegetables are healthy in moderation and provide essential vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. The key is portion control and timing. Seniors over 60, especially those on medication or with circulation problems, should consult a healthcare provider before consuming these in large amounts. Some practical tips. 1. Rotate your vegetables. Don't eat one type excessively. 2. Steam or lightly cook cruciferous vegetables to reduce oxalates and glucosinolates. 3. Pair vitamin K-rich vegetables with consistent amounts, so blood thinners work effectively. 4. Monitor your blood pressure and sugar levels after eating nitrate-rich vegetables like beets. 5. Avoid combining multiple high-lectin foods in a single meal. In addition, focus on circulation-friendly alternatives. Carrots, zucchini, cucumbers, and leafy lettuces generally do not interfere with clotting or blood pressure. Garlic, ginger, and turmeric are excellent for vascular health. helping to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow naturally. Remember, stroke prevention is not about avoiding vegetables entirely. It's about smart eating. Seniors over 60 should balance their meals, stay hydrated, and keep moving. Daily walks, light exercises, and yoga can improve circulation and prevent blood from stagnating, reducing stroke risk naturally. Also, be mindful of hidden risks in seemingly harmless foods. Many seniors eat what's labeled superfood without knowing how it interacts with their medications or age-related conditions. By paying attention to compounds like vitamin K, oxalates, nitrates, lectins, coumarins, solanine, and glucosinolates, you can safely enjoy vegetables without compromising your health. Here's a quick recap of the 9 vegetables to be cautious with if you're over 60. 1. Spinach, high in vitamin K2. Kale, oxalates affecting calcium and vessels 3. Beets, nitrates impacting blood pressure 4. Tomatoes, lectins affecting arteries 5. Peppers, capsaicin and alkaloids 6. Eggplant, solanine affecting circulation 7. Celery, coumarins interfering with blood thinners 8. Mushrooms, polysaccharides affecting clotting. Cabbage and broccoli, glucosinolates impacting metabolism and circulation. Take these precautions seriously. Stroke can happen suddenly, but understanding hidden compounds in everyday vegetables can drastically reduce your risk. Seniors over 60, now is the time to be mindful, plan your meals, and maintain healthy blood flow. Your heart and brain will thank you. Stay informed, eat wisely, and remember, moderation is your best friend. Healthy living doesn't mean avoiding vegetables. It means choosing the right ones, in the right amounts, at the right times.